So there you have it. Set this down, put the radio there so you can see that's what I flew with. So there you have it. I don't know what you guys saw because this camera angle was crazy with the session mount that I put on here, but yeah, flew right good, I think, for pretty good sticks. And it's hot, man. It's like something is real warm on this thing. That's why I said the 4S and all. It's just, so when you go to 6S, you guys will see it's just everything's so more efficient. So like this thing's getting warm and all that, and it really shouldn't be. They're decent motors. They're the Horizon thrust motors. What are we running? We're running 2206 2450 kV, running Dal 5046 props, running a Diatone MK2, the 45 amp one, Flysky FSI6 with the FSIA6B receiver, D-pinned and D-boxed. We're running a Tattoo Funfly 4S pack, 1300 milliamp hour, 100C discharge. Yeah, I think that pretty much covers it all. But do good, did I pass or not? I think that was pretty good through the house, around the house here. Y'all see the wind too I'm working with? It's windy as heck and we have gusts. Yeah, thank you for watching. Get out there and fly.